Ah, what the? Oh, God. What is good, YouTube? Welcome back. Yeah, Lee, we know you're here. We don't care. Holy moly, it is cold. Finally got a new jacket. Columbia, thermal foil. I am already feeling hot. Arabel. I think what he means is Arabel Creation, horror movie. Yeah, it's actually kind of okay. It's not that creepy. I like the Conjuring, whatever. Don't break my.
So scared with the eye.
Yeah.
How you doing? So
okay.
Sorry, yeah, hold on a second.
He doesn't even know I'm wearing a mask. Yeah, go ahead and show YouTube what you're watching. Arabel Creation. Oh God, why?
Internet.
Yes, because we're gonna do a shoe cleaning tutorial.
Okay. I think Dion is not here. Okay, he just go. I don't know. But no problem. We have the water. Okay, make sure you have the clean water. YouTube, hold on a second. Before we begin, close the movie. Step 1, make sure you do the solution. Solution gone. The green duck color is very like, I don't know. Oh my God. Why do I need to do this tutorial? Oh, huh? Hold on a second. Dirty, we clean everything. Oh my God, this is so dirty. Dirty. Okay, why is this so soft? Oh, I remember we need to stuff the shoe. Okay, keep stuffing the shoe. Nice and good. Good. Okay, very good. This one, for some reason, look like it has the stuffing already. So make sure you... Oh my God. Oh my... What is this stupid thing, huh? This is underwear? Somebody dirty underwear in the shoe? Ian is paying a... Oh my God. Ian is doing a stupid joke. Huh? Putting his stupid underwear in this stupid shoe? Okay. Oh my God. Okay, shaking, keep shaking. Okay, I do not know why the stupid customer put a stupid dirty underwear in the shoe. I'm not cleaning this shoe. Oh, hold on a second. I remember he told me for the suede, very dangerous to make it wet. But I don't know. So do I just clean the shoe? I don't know. Oh, very nice. Oh, this is so easy. Yeah, we'll finish the shoe. And then I will just go home and watch my movie. Make sure you clean the inside. Hiya, good thing I have a mask. Cleaning this stupid BBQ, stupid underwear duck. I am not doing this again. Maybe I should use the underwear to dry the shoe. So Ian will try to finish cleaning the shoe to make it very nice because I am not ready to make the shoe super good. I think he said when the shoe is dry. Oh my God, I forgot. I need to make sure it's dry now. I am done. Oh my God, I do not want to clean the stupid shoe. Do not know where I am going because of this stupid underwear. Waste my time. I need to tell Leon to never do this stupid thing again. Oh my God.
What the? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Are you kidding, Lee? What the frick is he doing? Bottom is not. It's not even clean. Like frick. There's like. What is this? Why is there like some kind of his foamy action from his mouth? He only did one side. All right, you know what? I'm gonna text him. This guy's pissing me off. Okay, what the frickin' just What is good, YouTube? I'm back. I've been away for like what 10 minutes? I don't know. He's supposed to do this entire freaking tutorial earlier why I was making fun of using underwears to stop your shoes. I think he found out, I don't know, the underwear is still intact in the toe box. I had no idea. This is the first time in the last freaking year and a half cleaning shoes. I do see random stuff sometimes, like socks, cloths, you know, all that kind of crap, but this is the first time. My God, I thought this was like a freaking tissue paper, you know, the shoe tree. I was checking this out, I take it out, I'm like, boom, 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 it's blue, it looks like an underwear, it's a freaking men's underwear in the freaking shoe. That's why I'm giving this to Lee to clean it, but he's not doing a good job, so frick. I'm gonna punish him. I'm gonna have to finish this up. This tutorial, it's not even a tutorial anymore. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna have to check the video and edit things out again, but I will definitely finish this right now because, you know, might as well, right? And then let's get this started. Don't wanna get my new jacket dirty. Same dirty shirt. All right, it's okay, we're cleaning a dirty shoe. Of course, if your suede shoes, it's got a lot of dust and dirt in it, make sure you use a medium brush or suede brush to dust off as much dust as possible, right? Because a lot of times, the stains, the dirt on the suede shoes, they're actually just on the surface, right? The nap. It's not like the leather itself is actually dirty. Very rare. So you can actually get away with dry cleaning. But since I told Lee to do it this way, we're gonna just continue. Rejuvenator, they actually have a new product, their new stuff, rebranding. It's actually called the Suede Kit. I watched Vic's tutorial and he didn't do the wet method cleaning like this. It was all about cleaning the Air Jordan 4 Travis Scott, the blue colorway. It was quite dirty and he was just doing the dry brush method, right? Just cleaning it without even wetting the shoe, which is actually fine. That's actually how you're supposed to clean the shoes. Yeah, I was kind of wondering, when they're cleaning the Air Jordan 4, don't wet the shoes. But then they have other tutorials, which is doing it this way. I don't think there's a problem with doing it this way. You just gotta be very careful not to soak it too much. I'm already soaking this shoe way too much. It's my bad. So let's try the shoes. Just make sure that after you get the suede, the leather all clean, you're satisfied. A lot of the stains are actually gone and the nap is dry. Make sure you bring the nap back. Bring it backwards. Brush the nap. Use the proper brush. And then I do use suede, kind of like Rejuvenator, Suede Renew products. Get the suede color, the natural color, kind of bring it back, you know, I put it on there. And then of course I dry brush it again once that Suede Renew product is all good to go. And that's it. If you wet clean your suede and you leave it like that, that's gonna leave water stain marks. That's gonna damage the suede. I've seen it before, never done it before. I'm not gonna show you how I'm gonna stiff bristle brush, wrong brush, the bottom. Because it's this dirty, once you do one round, it's gonna make a huge difference. It's gonna cut this dirt by like at least half. And then I basically just keep going and going and going. And I'm gonna hand detail it after, right? And then of course, all these little grooves here, all these little grooves, every little section, by hand, detail it, and then I final touch it with the stiff bristle brush again. Okay, so, social distancing, my God. Yeah, what can I say? You guys got pets? You got a dog? You got a cat? You got a, whatever, kangaroo? When you go to a park, the city, depending where you are, they already have pet rules in place, right? For the owners, of course. There's one park that we usually go to in the summer for the dog to swim. And the best part is, you know, like the poster, it says like, make sure your dogs keep a 2 golden retriever 6 feet whatever and a half distance between the other dogs. I'm like, okay, that's not gonna work. Dogs don't like to do that. They don't like to social distance, right? Humans, for us, we already have a problem social distancing. We go crazy. And then, of course, it's telling us before, if you're gonna do it, make sure you wear a mask. Avoid the kissing, but everything else is okay. You're gonna reduce the risk of having, you know, COVID. Same for dogs, right? When you go out, dogs, let them have the fun. Of course, still gotta avoid having too much contact of dogs grouping together. I just found that little rule a little funny. I had to bring it up because when I went to the park, the dogs are not social distancing. All right, none of the dogs are wearing masks, except for those that are very violent. They need to have that. But yeah, like I just find it funny. Who are they gonna find? Is a bylaw gonna go to a park and be like, yo, you two, you golden retriever, and you little chihuahua, you are too close. I'm gonna give you guys a ticket. I'm gonna give the owners a ticket. No, not gonna happen. This jacket, it works. I'm cold now in this room. There's no heat in this room. Carefully, don't freaking zip my long, disgusting Asian beard. I'm going to bring the shoes with me and bring this to work. I got new solutions. I got new crap. Make sure you clean your stuff and wipe the table, because Lee doesn't ever clean himself. Yeah, he doesn't clean himself. Okay, guys, I'm out.
Oh, look at me. I am Lee. So excited. I like wearing the mask. Can hide my eyes if I am scared watching the
This guy should cover his freaking nose, eyes, ears, and toes. Good job, Lee, for not paying attention that I am wearing a similar jacket and that I'm wearing a mask.
I don't like the dolls. Oh, you're wearing the mask.
Look, YouTube, I'm wearing a mask because it's freaking cold out, not because of COVID. All right? Whatever. Okay, so I don't know where this guy's been. He always lies. Okay, so let me remove Lee. It's not the Mighty Ducks. It is not Oregon Bucks, Ducks, Green Barbecue Duck. All right, just my God, this is called the SB. Whatever. It's a suede shoe. All right. Just touch it. It's okay, because we're gonna do a premium clean. I think this is premium clean. Oh my God! Check out the freaking bottom. The inside. Thank God my customer removed the insoles. I don't have to clean the insoles for this, but definitely need to clean the collar lining, all that good stuff. Laces. Where the frick are the laces? I don't know. He gave me the shoes like this, without laces. So. Yeah, I guess we don't need to clean the laces. Okay, so what I'm gonna do today is just quickly tell you what we need to do, and then I'm going to actually trust Lee.
Trust me?
Yeah, you. I'm gonna trust you, Lee, to freaking clean both of these shoes. Premium clean. I trained you enough. You've watched enough Rejuvenator tutorials. You watched enough of my tutorials. My God, let's get started. But before we get started, Rejuvenator, look at this. I only have a little bit of left. Oh my God. You know what? I apologize. My English, when it's cold, I'm becoming like a fob. Make sure you have something to stuff the inside. Now, the reason why I gave Lee the right side is because you're also gonna need this. You know what this is? Oh man, this channel is gonna be so bad. These are Joe Boxer's clean, of course, underwear. Okay, if you don't have Joe Boxer, make sure you stuff the toes.
Oh my God.
And then that way you have pressure when you're cleaning the shoes. You're gonna need premium water because we're doing a premium freaking clean, alright? Okay, that was actually stupid because I need to. I was supposed to actually put the water in the bowl first, so make sure you do that. Put the clean water in the bowl. Don't do what I just did. And then grab your solution, make sure you got your 3 cleaning brushes, okay? Stiffy, medium, and soft bristle hair, whatever, Asian hair. Start with the soft, okay? Lee's gonna show you how to do this tutorial. I'm actually busy. I gotta run to work and do my own stuff, but he knows what to do. Yeah, I'm just gonna make sure I don't give him this, because this is, I gotta waste another fresh bottle of water. I'm gonna keep this. So, guys, Lee, good luck. I'm out. I'm tired of this. Oh my God, this oh my God, grab my underwears too.
Yeah, you going? Okay. I think Dion is not here. Okay, he just go. I don't know.